DRCT stock analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. We're sitting at $4.26, 674% up for the day, which is absolutely a crazy delivery. I mean, let's go. The digital holding stock is just putting these crazy numbers. It's not that I'm gonna like oh, I haven't made video on this thing in a while. Like previously it was here in this demand area, and you can see I had like some blue lines pointing towards the upside, right? That was like I was only going to be bullish if there's like a second break about here. You know, it was always this confirmation bias, and it just didn't give me the second break, and it kept going down, and then I abandoned it. So I never, you know, looked back at our DRCT, and then out of nowhere now we're just putting in these crazy numbers. I mean, in a situation like this, I'm looking to just jump in on this bullish market and just capitalize the way I can. But that doesn't necessarily mean that once Tuesday rolls around that I'm going to randomly buy. No, this is still like you can still look at the 5-minute, 1-minute chart from what I've seen. And if as long as I see even like a type 2 confirmation, then and only then this is still something that I will long. It doesn't have to be the type 1. So that's what I've seen from my experience. Obviously not going to pull the trigger yet. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the photos link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.